Welcome to Lucy's Arcane Vault.
Hello again.
Today we are going to sew some undergarments. Do you want to reveal?
It's knickers.
With Rosemary's help, of course.
Yes.
So, this is your pattern.
Yes.
Tell us, how have you got it?
I really can't remember the actual knickers I bought. It's ages ago, and I had to make a pattern from them because they are so nice to use. And I modified a little bit the patterns, lifted the waist, and a little bit higher, of course. Yeah, because when I use corsets, it's easier to eat.
Yes. So these are basically a bit like 1950s style,
Yeah, like
very high waist.
Yes.
That will come on top of the corset. So,
And I don't know, you wanted to talk about the crotch.
yeah, crotch.
You wanted to talk about the crotch.
Absolutely. The crotch area here is rather strange.
I don't know, because there are so many different kinds of underwear, so I didn't figure that it's strange, but anyway.
Because it consists from 3 different parts. So we have the middle part and we cut 2 pieces of this. And then we have side parts, 1 piece and another piece. So basically the crotch consists out of 3 pieces. This one has, of course, seam allowances, so that's why it is so big. Here's another piece with smaller seam allowances.
Cat hair everywhere. Cat hair is new glitter.
Yeah, new glitter. Yeah.
There's either glitter or cat hair in everything you do.
Rosemary is very interested.
Yes.
And so this is what the pattern looks like, and we have both front and back. They are the same, and they are cut on fold. So this is what the front and back looks like. So we need 2 pieces of this.
It's like bloomers.
Yes. Granny shorts.
Yes.
And 2 pieces of middle color crotch and 2 pieces of side crotch. And the point of the side crotch is that it basically forms the leg already.
Sorry. Fixing threads.
Yeah.
But they are really, really comfortable. I love them. I don't want to use any other kind of panties or knickers or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, they're really, really comfortable.
Thank you for sharing the pattern with me, so I get to try them out as well.
Yeah.
So let's get going. So here we have the pieces, and this narrow part is front and wider part is back. And on the side piece, the wide part is front. Yes, so this is how they're going to get joined together.
I love this color.
Blush.
Yeah, cute pink.
Blush. 2 pieces. And there will be 1 piece and 1 piece on each side. And here is the finished crotch.
And how surprising. Black for you and pink. Black for me and pink for you.
Yes. Can it be seen? And the inside. So it's not sandwiched. Yeah.
This one is double, but these are just single.
The middle is double and sides are single. So here I'm sewing the side seams on the undies. This is a overlocker machine that trims the seam allowance at the same time. And here I'm sewing the crotch. And that's what it looks like.
Nyt mulla on vielä kolmannetkin kengät mukana, ne on vähän sellaiset vintage. Se pitäisi vaan uusia toi pohjat laittaa tomassa. Niin nää on tämmöset tuottaneet 50-luvulla.
Hienoa, tuotko sä nyt ulos? Sori.
Unohdin jo. Tää painaa.
Joo.
Kenkiä ilmestyy kuvaan. Säätöä nää niinku.
And here I'm attaching the crotch onto the rest of the underwear. Hekate is assisting.
What is the machine you are using?
It's a cover stitch machine. Genome cover stitch machine, and
No, I haven't used it.
it's great for edging jersey and other fabrics. It does the stretchy edge.
I look green again.
Yes! Elphaba is back.
I guess green suits me.
Yes, especially as a skin tone. So you're sewing the side seams as well.
Yeah, because I was making how many? 5?
Yeah.
5 knickers at the same time.
And dropping my
Yes.
scissors. Thank you.
Sorry, again. Yes, I'm using pins.
Taking them out as you go.
Yeah, because the pieces are so small and curvy. I just need to use pins.
Bit of a factory setting.
I don't think the factories are that cozy.
Yeah.
Or that they have cats.
Yhdessäkseen.
Mistä ne saa? Se oli vaan, mä tarvitsin niin kuin.
Yeah, green looks good.
Rather atmospheric. Like in Frankenstein's lab. Don't you wish you could sew that fast?
Yes, sometimes, yes.
So here is a bit of a closer look on the cover stitch machine, and you can see it uses the large thread spools, and it has a looper, so underneath it loops the stitches, and it has 3 needles that are top stitching, and the lower looper loops it on the other side, underside. And then I'm pulling the threads from the start on the wrong side and then sew over them to enclose the ring that I have just sewed.
Trigger warning. Legs.
Yeah,
Lots of legs.
lots of legs.
And boudoir. But they are really, really comfortable. I can't enough emphasize that because they are just the perfect underwear. So it just is.
And you also said that they are quite handy underneath the pencil skirts,
Yes.
so they don't
Yeah.
show the lines.
Yes.
With tight fitted pencil skirts.
People holding matching kittens.
Contrasting color kitties.
Yes.
Yeah, I hold the dark one and you the light.
Even when I like the dark ones more.
Well, there you can actually see the underwear. Legs are too long, they don't fit in the picture.
Lucy show is dedicated to leg lovers this time. Yeah, show the panties.
Oh yeah, and I got to wear my Christine McConnell shoes for the first time for this photo shoot. They were very comfortable and perfect match for the outfit.
Pink, pink, pink.
Mm. Going together with the underwear theme, I am currently working on underwear corset. So this is really underwear. I am not going to put any lace or embellishments or embroidery or beading or anything, which is very unlikely.
Yeah, it's going to be practical.
Yeah. So that's a work in progress. Please like and subscribe if you liked today's video so you don't miss any of the future videos. So this was a fun project.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing.
No problem.
And
I seem to be a regular guest star in your
videos. Yes. Lovely to have you.
Thank you.
As always. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. So the knickers are now completely covered in Rosemary's hair. You can see it, hopefully.